All right, we back at it with another vlog. So in this video, I want to show you guys and give you guys sauce on how you can actually get celebrities to wear your stuff. Fortunately today we are going to pull up on Trill Sammy. He tapped in, he's in Vegas, he has a show, so we're going to pull up on him with some gear, shoot a music video, and then my boy Play got some stuff going down at some dope karaoke spot. We're going to go tap in with him, but we're going to be giving you sauce throughout the whole vlog. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? And then behind the camera, you know what I'm saying, my boy Reek, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, wait, hold on. Here.
You know what the fuck is going on? I'm gonna be fucking manning the camera. We're gonna be navigating our way to Trill Sammy Karaoke Lounge. It's gonna be a lit ass night, and I'm gonna try to get the best fucking moments you guys can possibly see ever in this vlog.
And then what's up with you? What's with your music? What you be doing?
Shit, I'm a musical artist. I also strapping human body parts on the side if you guys ever need an organ or a liver or anything.
You look like
Nah, yeah, we're gonna be doing a music video tonight here too, so be ready for some content. And I'm dropping in part 2 the Evil True Slimy. I am Evil True Slimy.
What's your Instagram?
Ricky Pop.
I'm gonna put it in the description.
Let's go. Instagram, Ricky Pop, REEKYPOP, the one and only, baby.
All right, so Trill Sammy, he texted me, he's running a little bit late, so we're gonna pull up on Play. We are at Industry 13. This is a karaoke spot in Vegas. We throw the craziest parties at many venues. If you're ever in Vegas, tap in, you know what I'm saying? We got the vibes, the parties, whatever you need. Vegas, we got you, you know what I'm saying? So tap in. Let's go in here, and then in a little bit, Trill Sammy did say he was 15 minutes away from the venue, which luckily the karaoke spot that we're filming at is only 2 minutes away from the venue that Trill Sammy's performing at. So that's pretty lucky, you know what I'm saying? So let's go say what's up to everybody, and then we'll probably end up going to meet up with bro so we can get him this merch. Because we went to the Bellagio and we posted up for a little bit, but he was running late, which I'm not gonna blame him. He came from the airport and shit. Yo! Wait, hold on. This is perfect. Hold on.
Okay, that's real. Appreciate you.
So we vlogging for YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Let them know who you are and why you so lit. Why did I get so excited when I came up and seen you?
You already know what time it is. Look, it's your favorite holiday, NJ holiday, you know what I'm saying? We out here.
You're talking to the mic.
We pulling up to the Industry Karaoke Bar 13. We out here lit. I just ran into my boy the recipe, because that's the recipe out here. For y'all to be a motherfucking content creator, y'all gotta be out here doing the motherfucking work every day. You know what I'm saying? We got the team up in here. We just got McRatchet over here. She got pulled up. We got the other crew in there. Vegas Kai's up in there. We got Chi-Chi. We got E-Man. But everybody, Las Vegas, if you want to be a motherfucking content creator, bring your ass up out here. That's what we fucking doing. We out here doing an event every single fucking day.
Nah, bro, I be
you know what I'm saying?
Hey, I know if I run into you, it's about to be a good night.
It's about to be a great fucking night. I'm in the right
spot if I run
yeah, so y'all already know what time it is. We finna go up in there. We finna get turned. They ain't never seen a motherfucking karaoke crowd like your boy The Recipe and your boy NJ motherfucking Holiday. So what song you trying to sing though?
If I was gonna do one, it would be
Come on now.
Delight. I'm not gonna lie.
Rappers Delight? Rappers Delight? That's a motherfucking fire ass track. That's a banger track. I said walk around the club, fuck everybody. So if I'm not fucking with you and you here, and if I find you during this motherfucking song, it's right there. Hotline.
You know when that hotline bling?
Yeah.
Hey, that kid only me one thing.
Yeah, Drake put us on with a classic. I told his very own. But nah, shout out to you, bro. It's good to see you. You've always been showing me tremendous love. Y'all make sure y'all tap in, y'all like, subscribe, and follow my guy here.
You're mad consistent, bro. That's why it's my duty to stay close to the ones that are actually doing this shit, not faking it, because motherfuckers be out here pump faking with this content shit, and I'm not about that shit. We do this shit, bro. We live, breathe, and die by this shit. I don't care what nobody fucking says. Like dead ass, bro. Like I'm so ignorant when it comes to this content shit. Like you're not better than me, bro.
No.
Like anybody who's on my team, bro. Like you literally cannot see us, bro. Yeah, you can't. Like
I'm striving to get where you at for real though. You been killing that shit.
Bro, you are who you hang out with.
Since day one, bro.
You are who you hang out with. So Trill Sammy just tapped in. I saw it on my phone. So let's go get bro this merch, and then we'll come back. But we're gonna tap in. We're gonna see what's good. I'm not really sure how it's gonna go, but shit, it's gonna be lit. We got this. All right, so we just pulled up to the venue. I got my Culture Kings bag ready. Bro just told me he's almost here. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of what I brought him. You know what I'm saying? I made all this specifically for him. We got some, these are Shaka-wear pants, mad exclusive. I don't even know where you can get these Shaka pants. I got lucky. I found these at I think DD's discount or something. So rare, you know what I'm saying? There's a plug for you. Check out DD's. heat transfer vinyl and rhinestone flannel. It's cropped as well. This right here I got blank at Burlington for like $7. So you see what it looks like now, you know what I'm saying? I don't spend a lot of money on these things, but when I get my hands on it, I turn it into a bag. And then I got the rhinestone work jacket right here. He said he's gonna wear something for his performance, so hopefully it's this one. And then I brought bro 4 bandanas, you know what I'm saying? So he could like...
All right, cut it.
What's good, bro? Good to meet you. Hell yeah. Welcome to Vegas. You been here before?
Yeah, man. It ain't been this cold when
Nah.
I'm here.
Here's the, here, let me clip you real quick. You want me to give you the merch inside or?
Shit, let me check it out here. Cause it's probably,
Yeah, I got
when
you.
I go in there, I'm straight performing.
Here, let me put this on you real quick.
What's this right here? Okay.
Just a mic, yeah, just a mic. Cool, let me know what you want to do.
Mikey.
You want to do it right here?
Hell yeah, let me check you out.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate you tapping in, bro.
Nah, for sure, man. I've been wanting to hit you up. I knew I was coming. I was just waiting until I come touchdown.
All right, I'll go one by one. I made everything specifically for you, bro. Like this wasn't shit that was hanging around. I literally made this shit for you.
Okay.
These are a well-paid creator. It's the rhinestone all the way down. They're 36. They're Shockaware jeans.
Nice.
I did the cutoff. I did the I cropped it
flannel.
myself, and then this is the work jacket.
Fucking drippy,
And then
bro.
here, these are new. I just dropped
Fucking
these.
drippy.
Look, hold on. These are all bandanas I just made. So I got
I've
the
been wanting to buy some fucking.
I got the blue
Bro, let me
one,
give you-
the camel.
Let me give you something, bro. Let me give you some cash out of this, bro. This is hard.
You sure, bro?
Nah, for sure.
Hey, bro, really blessed me, bro. I came to pull up and show love, bro. That's real as fuck. Bro gave me a whole
Come
Billy
on, man.
Goat.
Support
I
your-
wasn't expecting nothing, bro.
Support your
so-
neighborhood designer, man. You feel me?
That's
you see
what's
the
up,
drip,
bro.
man.
Hey,
Nah,
that's
love, bro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate
sure,
the
hell
fuck
yeah.
out of that.
For sure.
Hey, Trill, you mind if I get a picture with you?
Let's
Oh
go,
yeah, hey,
bro.
my bad. This is my artist, Reek. My bad, bro. I was
What's
too
going
fucking
down, Reek?
busy.
How you
He's
doing,
the
bro?
Nice to
only.
meet you.
Pop, bro.
He's the only
Hell
artist
yeah.
that I manage. He's the only person I trust to fucking.
You gotta trust somebody else. Let me throw this in the car, man. I think they ready for me inside.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah.
Y'all can do whatever the fuck y'all want me to do.
What was your name again? Nice to meet you, bro. Thank you again. What's up?
How are you feeling?
Hey, I'm just excited because I get to create for a living, you know what I'm saying? But that's why I made this channel, to like let you guys know how you can do the same thing, because my life is fulfilled and everybody can achieve this shit. Get you some creator homies, live life to the fullest. That's it, simple.
Because we was just with Trill Sammy. We just left Trill Sammy, come back, and we came. We're everywhere.
Hey, I'm head inside. I'm head inside, bro. All right, so we at Industry 13, you know what I'm saying? Yo, shouts to my boy Reed, because you need a homie with you if you're going to be busting off this mission, because we went back and forth like 20 times, drove across town, but like that's the content game, you know what I'm saying? Things aren't going to always go the way you plan, but we're content creators, bro. You got to make that shit work, you know what I'm saying? Because this ended up better than I expected, and I didn't even know what to expect, you know what I'm saying? But the way that I connected myself with Trill Sammy was he watched my rhinestone transfer content and he tapped in and he had told me that he needed some transfers, and that's how I built that connection with him. So that way when he actually came back into town, I was the first person that he tapped in with. Am I in the middle? Am I in the middle?
Yeah.
But I just provided a ton of value, you know what I'm saying? I locked in on my skill, I gave the game away, and then that shit keeps coming back. But the thing is, like, I got a lot of skill that I worked on, and that's how I was able to make this happen. Like, I stayed in my house for like 3-4 years, and I locked in on the content, the clothing brand, the tutorials, and now I'm starting to align myself with situations, you know what I'm saying? So that's the tip I have for you, you know what I mean? Like, what about my boy Reed? You got any tips for them?
Hey, bro. One of the tips I can give y'all is never stop, bro. Even when you think the shit's not going, you never know who's watching or who's paying attention, you know what I'm saying? Never let anybody know that you're weak or you feel in any type of way. Even though this shit might get so stressful and start looming down on you, it doesn't matter. Don't ever show anybody anything, and just keep that grace about you and just keep striving. I promise you, it might be small wins, but you will start winning. You will start climbing the ladder.
You will
just gotta
proceed.
you just gotta keep
Wait,
going.
persevere. I don't know what I
You
said.
just gotta keep going. It's never too late for you, whoever the fuck you are. It's never, you're not cool enough. You know what I mean? Anybody could do this, and anybody could be successful. You just have to keep going. You just have to be consistent, and that's the tip.
All right, bro. So The point of this vlog is basically me trying to explain to the community, like, you got to provide value to align yourself with people that can actually provide value back. So what's some advice you have that, like, because you're somebody that I look up to as far as somebody who's consistent, got shit going, but like, what's the mindset behind that? Like, how do you even make that shit happen? You know what I mean?
Damn, that is amazing. That's an amazing question.
I mean, I'm asking the right person though. You know what I mean?
I honestly just wake up every day with intention of meeting someone new every day. That someone new, you never know. You don't know who that someone new is gonna be. It can be an owner of a venue that can, be a good, fit for you. You never know. You got to go out, shake hands.
I mean, that's how I met you.
Yeah,
just
shaking hands,
working.
outside working. You really got to, get going, get up, go to the street, walk, go somewhere, go to the bookstore. Maybe if you want that clientele, it doesn't matter. Anywhere you go is where you put yourself as far as getting like that content, that client that you want, that content that you need to do, or that place that you want to do at. I don't know. I never thought I was gonna be here, but it's really a vibe and people fuck with it, and you gotta give something to the people for the culture. Everybody, it's the culture, so it's just like we have to get together, and it's not always about clubbing. I know that this is like half and half, where karaoke meets nightlife, but this is a social spot. You can do shit here. You can sing. If you want to sing in front of everybody, you can. Or if you want your own private little shit, you can as well.
What's your social media so they can tap in? Because if anybody visits Vegas, I want them to tap in with you so they can get taken care of. You know what I mean?
By taking care of, he's right on there. I can take care of you anywhere that you need to be in Vegas. If you have a spot in your head that you want to go to, definitely hit me up, and I'll show you around, and I'll show you who you need to contact. You can find me in all my social medias as It's Plays. That's ITSSPLAYY.
It'll be in the description.
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Appreciate you. Money.
Hey, what's up with them chicken wings? No, hold on. Hey, man, I heard something about some chicken wings, man.
The chicken wing here is really fire, and it's not that fucking greasy shit. Like, I don't know what she's doing back there, but she is cooking up.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. The chicken wings here, you can heat them bitches up the next morning. That's how you
and
know.
They're still gonna be crunchy. Like they're still you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it. Try them chicken wings and the sliders. The sliders are fucking fire.
All right. You know what I mean? What's good, bro? Nice to meet you.
I just left the studio and I was on live with y'all. So I'm here at this venue, rocking with the boys, the fashion designers here in Vegas, making steps, making moves. Make sure you follow us on all things social. My Instagram is TEECHERIBABIE. You dig?
You ain't never pulled up with a G-Shock on the road.
Wait, what is that? You see me? Hold on. You feel me? Let me charge my shit up right quick.
Hold on. Oh, don't play with my legs.
Come on, charge, bitch.
I don't even know what's about to happen. Hold on. Stop. Oh, my God.
Hey, bitch. Hey, I'm about to put it on. Hold on.
Redemption art.
Yes, sir. I had none on the wrist. We back, baby.
The wrist leather.
Man, and I've been telling y'all we been coming, and now we came. We here. Look, y'all
What's the
niggas.
3 rules to live by?
1, try to wake up early. I know that shit probably ain't gonna happen half the time. 2, and spend your money on something that can make you money. Don't be spending Jordans that niggas is not gonna get no money. They're gonna be worth nothing later on. Number 3 is get yourself a good support system. It don't need to be much. You just need to be a loyal girl, a loyal friend, or just somebody that's gonna help you on your journey.
Bro gave some real gems. I thought he was about to
You
troll.
cannot do this by yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm a real guy. I'm a real guy, bro. I swear.